Hi programmers, as part of HackerRank Basic SQL Solutions, we are going to discuss about the given problem. First, try to understand the problem before going to code it. So what is the problem they have given? Okay. And what is the table? So the table name is station. Okay. The table name is station. The station, it contains ID, city, state, latitude and longitude is the fields. These are the data types. Okay. But here, what we need to do? So they are asking query a list of city and state from the station table. Okay, that's very simple. Select city, comma, state from station table. Just try to run the code. The test case is passed. So this is our output. Okay, now let's try to submit the code. Okay, it is success. It is success, and the test case also passed. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this. Happy learning.